Good morning. Today we are going to learn quick revision class 10 chapter 4 quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation we'll discuss few points. First, general form of quadratic equation, then degree, zeros and roots of quadratic equation, relation between coefficients, form new quadratic equation, discriminant value, nature of roots, methods to find roots, factorization, that middle term separation formula method, and we'll discuss most likely questions related to the chapter quadratic equation. So let's start with the general form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then degree will not be 2 and it's not a quadratic equation. B, C may be 0 or may not be 0, but a will always not equal to 0. These a, b and c are real numbers. Let's discuss degree, zeros and roots. The value of the variable x, suppose alpha, which satisfy the equation is called zero of the quadratic equation. As the degree of this quadratic equation is 2, the number of zeros are 2. X is equals to alpha. If it satisfies the equation, then x minus alpha is equal to 0 is called roots of the quadratic equation. Relation between the coefficients. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Product of zeros alpha into beta equals to c upon a. What are the ABC? ABC are the coefficients of x square, x and the constant term. That we already learned this in pair of linear equation in two variable. But here related to the quadratic form, the relation between the coefficients and zeros of the quadratic polynomial you can say. Formation of new quadratic equation. If alpha, beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then its quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. This form is called formation of new quadratic equation when alpha, beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. The next term is discriminant value. What is the discriminant value? Discriminant value is also called as delta, and it is denoted by b square minus 4ac. Again it is related with the coefficients of x square, x and 4. So if this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then the b square minus 4ac is called discriminant value of a quadratic equation. Now we'll discuss by using the discriminant value how we'll decide the nature of roots. The nature of roots is decided by using discriminant value. For a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, delta b square minus 4ac is a discriminant value, and if this value, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. If b square minus 4ac, this value is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If this value b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. We can say imaginary roots. In this case, greater than 0 means the value is positive. Less than 0 means the value whatever you get is negative. If the value b square minus 4ac is positive, then the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac value is negative, the roots are not real, imaginary roots we can say. If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. We say that it is repeated roots, root 2, root 2, root 3, root 3, like this. Let's discuss now the methods to find roots of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, the method to find the roots of quadratic equation, the first one is factorization. Also we call as a middle term separation method. We'll take one example for this, and the second one is formula method. To find the roots of the equation. Now most likely question and this method we'll discuss together.